Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Clash Royale application and wait for it to load, once it is done loading, you will be taken into the home screen, which is the battle page by default. You can find the menu icon at the top right corner underneath gems, and if you tap on it, you will see the settings button. Tap on the settings button and then tap on more settings, and you will only find an option to delete your account, but you cannot find a logout button. So in order to log out from your existing account, the only way is to open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. From the apps page, scroll down and search for Clash Royale, and then once you find the application, just tap on it and then tap on the force stop button at the bottom right to stop the application by tapping on OK. Once the application is stopped, you can tap on storage and then tap on the clear data button. Then just tap on the delete button, and this will delete all of your login information within the Clash Royale game. And now if you open up the game once again, you will see that your login account information has been removed and you will need to start a new game once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Clash Royale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.